Yo, what is up YouTube? As you can tell by the thumbnail, we'll be doing a quick install video here on the Duramax. So we'll be installing Boosted Auto's new wireless charger for these Cat Eye Chevys. I believe this one's the same from 03 to 06. Pretty neat. Drops down in the OEM location on your center console, hooks up to the cigarette lighter, and allows you to have wireless charging on these older trucks, which is pretty neat. So let's get this thing installed and I'll show you guys how it works. So let's get to it. All right, it's kind of in the middle of the install right now. Like I said, super simple. So you just remove the screws here to take the lid off here. First, you drill a 3/8 hole there in the center so you can get the wiring harness through. And then once you do that, there's 4 screws on the top side that you screw this down to mount this securely. And then once that's down securely, then here's the cover, or the rubber mat that you put on. So then that just presses on there, as you can tell. So then once you get that, and that's ready to go on, drill a 3/8 hole here, and then one here that goes down to the center, so the cigarette lighter. So obviously that goes here so you can get the harness through, and then obviously plug it in to the charging pad there. So like I said, and they're all 3/8 holes, so that way the connector can get through. Like I said, there in the corner, and then there in the back, and then we'll get on the back of the, we'll just hop in the back seat so that way we can show you the connection on the cigarette lighter. All right, I hopped in the back here so I can show you guys real quick. So all you gotta do, like I said, is plug and play. So a little tap harness. So down on the cigarette lighter there where it used to go, and then here you can see where it plugs into the factory connector there. That way you can get your power for the charging pad. So once you got that plugged in, literally, like I said, it only takes a couple minutes, and then you have your inline fuse just in case, and then just go ahead and zip tie this up, and then go ahead and plug this in and snap that back in, and then you're all good to go. And then the only thing we got left is just install the lid. Like I said, this maybe took not even 10 minutes. Super simple. So let's go ahead and get everything all buttoned up. All right guys, as you can tell, we got everything all put back together and installed, and we got power going to the wireless charging pad there. So all you got to do is grab any new phone that supports wireless charging, just drop it down here in the center, and boom, just like that, you're charging your phone. So super cool. Boost Auto makes this stuff for the older trucks, but they also make these wireless charging pads for the newer trucks as well. So any of your GM truck all the way up to the 2020 plus body style, if your truck didn't have that factory option when they started offering it, feel free to buy one, and go ahead and hit that link down in the bio and grab one for yourself. So don't hesitate. If you like wireless charging and you don't want to use a USB cable, this is definitely the way to go, and they look factory. So so thanks for watching, and peace out.